Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can add a serial number in Google Docs. So let's go quick into the process. Let me just quickly open my Google Docs. And here we have this table. Now in order to add a serial number from here, all we have to do is we need to select these cells. So just move your cursor from the very first or the second cell to the bottom that is empty or that is blank. Now, once you've done that, you will find this ribbon at the top with all these tabs: File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Extensions, and Help. Click on the Format tab. And here, you will find Bullets and Numbering. Click on Numbered List menu. And then here, you will find all the formats or all the styles. You can simply choose any of that style. Now, let's choose this one, the first option. And as you can see, we have added a number, but it is all number one, like 11111. Now, how can we make this like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or the continuous numbers? Numbers that is not like this 1111. So in order to do that, we just need to simply move our cursor to this second number one up to the bottom, and then right click, and then you will find this option, continue previous numbering. Click on that, and that's it. So as easy as that, you can add a serial number in your Google Docs. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.